In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the edit history of a cell in Google Sheets. Have you ever wondered who made changes to a specific cell or wanted a detailed record of past edits? Well, Google Sheets makes it incredibly easy to track the edit history of cells, providing you with a clear record of past modifications. Let's dive right into the process. Imagine you're working on a shared Google Sheet and need to check the alterations made to a particular cell. Start by right-clicking on the cell whose history you're interested in. Right-clicking opens up a context menu with several options related to that cell. It's an important feature, especially if you're managing a collaborative project and need to audit changes. Once the menu appears, look for and select the Show Edit History option. Clicking on this will bring up a helpful pop-up window, your gateway to insights about past changes. This pop-up is compact yet informative, designed not to clutter your workspace entirely while giving you all the necessary details. In this pop-up, you'll find the previous values that the cell contained. This means you can track any data entries that may have been updated or corrected over time. It's particularly useful if you're trying to access data that might have been overwritten by mistake. The pop-up doesn't just stop at displaying values, it goes a step further by telling you who exactly made each change. In collaborative environments, identifying who made alterations can help in tracing decision-making processes or resolving any misunderstandings efficiently. Another critical detail included in this pop-up is the date and time of each edit. With this timestamp information, you're able to understand the timeline of changes and coordinate efforts more effectively with your team. Knowing when a change was made can also provide context, especially if you're aligning data updates with external events or reports. I hope you're finding the information clear and useful so far. This feature in Google Sheets can be a game changer for maintaining data integrity and transparency. When working with others, seeing the editorial journey of your data not only boosts accountability, but also helps in keeping everyone on the same page. As a tip, remember that the edit history is only available within shared and edited cells. If you have never changed the data or shared the sheet, this feature might not show any additional information. Always ensure you have the necessary permissions to view edit history, as some settings might restrict access for privacy or security reasons. And there you have it, a straightforward way to access the edit history of any cell in Google Sheets. I hope this guide has empowered you to navigate your spreadsheets with more confidence and control. If you have any further questions or need additional help, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching and happy spreadsheet managing.